This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you are in the right place. If you're interested in this product, check the links in the description. In this video, we are talking about our KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. And it's a really nice model. We like the color it comes in. Just a little bit quick about if you're going to take it out of the box. I would say it's a 2-person job. It's a really large box. It'll come encased in 2 pieces of foam, and it's helpful to put it down low, have one person to pull it out and another person to aid you by holding onto the box and then helping you lift it because it is quite heavy. So be careful, right? Once you get it out, you'll see that there's a bunch of different pieces that come with it. One of the first things you'll see is this splash guard that also gives you a nice pour spout for pouring ingredients into the bowl. I tend not to use these. We have to mix a lot of stuff and it gets in my way, but if you're a beginner, this can be a really helpful aid, right? Second is our bowl, which you can see it twists and locks into place. So when you use it, you want to make sure that you're lining up those little notches into the openings and then twisting to secure that into place. And then you have a variety of attachments that you can choose. The first would be your dough hook. So anything that needs the simulation of kneading, like pizza dough, bread dough, whatever, you're using your dough hook for. Anything light that you want to put a lot of air into, so think meringues or whipped cream, you're going to use that whip or whisk attachment. And lastly, and probably the one I get the most use out of, is the paddle or spade. And you can see it has these just nice little openings, and it's really meant to mix things together. So we use this a lot for buttercreams, cookie dough, cake batter. It's super, super useful, right? You'll see it has this kind of keyhole notch style opening on top, and it's meant to, right, line up with that notch. Then you're going to twist and slide it down, and that locks your attachment into place, which is very important. You want to make sure that you're using this safely. If it's not locked into place, it can come off in the bowl and cause you a lot of problems. And this, as the description of the product implies, the tilt head, right? So after you get your attachment on, you want to put that down and then use the lock to lock it into place. And on the other side, you have your speed. So we're set in the off position. You want to use the slower speeds for thicker, heavier things, the higher speeds for things that you're whipping, like whipped cream, right? It comes with a nice long power cord, right? Which is great, which means it doesn't have to be close to a plug. And those are the basics of your 5-quart tilt head KitchenAid stand mixer. If you enjoyed this video and you like more about the materials and equipment we use in cake decorating, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like more information on yearly membership and what that entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check out the links in the description.